hello. Happy blessed Sunday, everyone. First, I would like to thank to those who always supporting me and watching my simple videos. Thank you, sis. Thank you, sis Emma. Fisker Official. Fisker ba ito? Thank you, sis Emma. Again, thank you again, sis Emma. Fisker Official. Kat Fitri Channel, Assalamualaikum. Terima kasih banyak, my sister, all the way from Indonesia. Kat Fitri Channel, shout out. Thank you. Thanks. And also, I would like to thank Im Hassan Pasha. Namaste. Thank you, Jen Cute. Thank you, Jen Cute support. And shout out also to RYD Zapanta Vlogger. RYD Zapanta Vlogger, shout out. Oh, idol. And of course, Sisikoy Jobs in Hawaii. Hi, Sisikoy Jobs. All the way from Hawaii. Aloha, Sikoy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks, Tantran Channel. Tantran Channel. Hi. Thank you, my sister. And I would like also to thank FC Art Pabin. FC Art Pabin. Pabin, thank you. Ibang lahi kasi ito eh, kaya mahirap yung mga pangalan. Shout out also to Masayahin Vlogger. Thank you, Masayahin Vlogger. Thank you also to Ehorn Tonket. Ehorn Tonket. Thank you. And also Sisikoy Senior V. Sisi Senior V. Shout out, sis. Thank you. Ba't hindi makita ito? Oh my gosh. Ang pangalan nito. Also again, thank you, Emma Fisker Official. Shout out Sisi, Mama Senda. Shout out Mama Senda, Sisi. Kuya Itoy Vlog, thank you, Tol. Kuya Itoy Vlog. Love Travel Music, ading ko, thank you. Again, RYD is a panda vlogger. Thank you, Lord. So, ayan yung mga those who support my latest short videos and latest videos of mine from yesterday. Thank you, all of you guys, for supporting me. And sometimes, sorry, because sometimes I can't visit your live or channel sometimes because sometimes I'm busy, but I'm trying to connect and support also to all of you guys, especially to those who always liking my videos. And I will visit also your videos. No, don't worry. And also to those who always supporting my silent live for my WA, for my WH, for my watch hour. Thank you so much, guys. And sa mga nagpi-play sa aking playlist, thank you Sisikoy Jobs, and ading Love Travel Music, ading Talpak Cakes, and Sisikoy Nana Honey YTC, Sisikoy Lauren Director. Thank you so much sa support. And of course, I would like to shout out to all of you, again, to all my relatives, sa aking mga kapatid, shout out sa inyong lahat. Siyempre, aking bunso sa Pilipinas, mga apos. Ingat kayo lagi dyan sa Pilipinas. Ngayon ay mainit na Pilipinas. Nako, gagaya ko na si Madam Maharlika, Pilipinas. Hello po, Mama Maharlika, nabanggit ko pong pangalan nyo kasi idol ko rin kayo. Pilipinas. At ipanalangin natin na sana maging maayos ang botohan at sana walang dayaan at sana yung PDP laban natin ay manalo silang lahat. And please vote straight Duterte PDP laban. Andyan sila Sir Bongo, Sir Senator Bongo, Sir Bato de la Rosa, Sir Senator Bato de la Rosa, Sir Apollo Kibuloy, Sir Rodante Marcoleta, Sir Philip Salvador, Sir Jimmy Bondok, Sir Vic Rodriguez. Nakakalimutan ko lahat pero na pag isulat ko naman ay maalala ko na. And of course, shout out to all ko Duterte supporters. Please vote straight PDP laban. At syempre yung inendorso ng ating mahal na VP, Ma'am Inday Sara Duterte na dalawa. Huwag din kalimutan si Ma'am Camille Villar at saka si Ma'am Senator Amy Marcos. So that's all. Malapit ng election, guys. So kailangan po maging matalino po tayong lahat sa pagluklok ng mga mananalong mga senador na sana ay maging okay na ang bansa natin para hindi na tayo dito sa malayo ang nakakamiss din ang Pilipinas. Kaya so okay, thank you all of you guys. Happy blessed Sunday. Today April 20, 2025. Mainit na dito, guys, and please take care also everyone. Ingat din kayo lagi dyan at sana pray tayong lahat kay Lord, kay God, kay Ana, na sana ay laging ligtas tayong lahat at lalong-lalo na sa ating pamilya, mahal sa buhay na nasa malayo. Sana okay lang silang lahat. So okay, thank you. Rose Donella Vlog. Bye! Mainit na, guys. Katatapos natin na maligo. Mga sisikoy, shout out. Sikoy agdag vlog at konsi. Code sa Mohin TV, shout out.